Hello, my friends. Alena from Intense Memories like to share that tutorial. I have to tell for beginning. I start to do first page yesterday. Okay, and wasn't very well. I wasn't satisfied. I put some music from computer and everything was not very well. So, because I already cut paper on that video, I explained you what I want to show you and what I want to inspire you with. So, in my stash I had some small album I made by myself. It is 11 by 19 and spine have 4.5 centimeters. And the idea for that time was when you open mini album, you can open 3 sections, like, oh boy, where is it? Ah, okay, it's not because I cut. Was third section was here, like that. And because I don't have enough decoration paper, I cut all this third page. And also I thinking I left tiny gap between the pages, so if I decorate the album, I will have not place for put into photos. And all my album is especially photo albums, so I have to have space for them. So that's for explanation. And because I cut the cover, so I can't show you cover of that gorgeous paper from Cratf O Clock, and call this Miracle Night. I just admire the paper. You will see when I will do pages how gorgeous it is. It's really, really for me feeling like Christmas in very, very close to family. And so I cut the paper, and I thinking put this part of on the cover. Here is the Santa with the reindeers and coming to bring gifts. Probably I will cut also the circle and I add somewhere, maybe I just thinking do some shaker box. So that is for cover. Inside I already cut and glue piece of design paper for spine. So for this I was thinking to put this paper. Look at that beauty of that paper. And because I did mistake and I make shirt that part, so when I will have rest, I will do some pocket for a side, or I found between my envelopes, probably some days I was thinking to do album from envelopes, so maybe I will thinking to do something like put something on background, and then this, and to continue this one here. So that idea. Okay, next look at that. The background was so beautiful, and probably I can use it, but that was second. Here is third. The paper is fantastic. I love it. And I already glue that family, and I thinking pocket here, and we will slide something, and here maybe waterfall or something. I have to think about something different. In each album I have something what other album don't have. So that here is also page. We can do some flaps or some pop-up, and that is the last. And because I love this paper so much, so I just cut half of Baden. Look at that. And that is other side, and I fold like this, and I thinking to do some special closure. For that I already glossy that ribbon, and we will have something for open. So that what I thinking about put on the pages, and I already cut all these things beautifully, teeny mini. I love some of them. I glossy. Here I not, so I have to do, but I am fan of fussy cut. So yeah, that's when I go to my friends for coffee. It's neighbor. I love her, and when I drink coffee, I fussy cut my things. And she's laughing because she don't have that passion what I have. But I always talking I am in 7 heaven. So I already did some tags with that ribbons, and I have 3 tags left because it was from front. So I thinking to glue something on the back to be nicer, and here maybe I make tiny pockets and put something like that inside. So that is my presentation for this time, for beginning, and then I will continue and show you how I put the pages together. Thank you very much to visit my channel, and if you're not subscribed, please support my channel. I will be really happy, and I love read your comments, so help me. Thank you, and see you on next video. Bye bye guys.